Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Apple ID and available iCloud storage because you need to know what to free up. Once done, open Finder and choose iCloud Drive. Make sure the path bar is visible so you can see folder locations. Sort items by size or kind to surface large files. This gives you a clear cleanup target. You're beginning the actual cleanup now, not prepping endlessly, so prioritize the largest folders and recent uploads first. Now systematically review items. Preview files with the spacebar to avoid mistakes, then decide whether to delete or download a local copy first. If you want to keep a file locally, drag it to a local folder before deleting from iCloud Drive. Otherwise, move items to trash directly. Make sure to empty the Mac trash and also check the iCloud Drive recently deleted folder to permanently remove items. This step reclaims space. Finish by forcing a sync so your changes register across devices. Either toggle iCloud Drive off and on or sign out and back into your Apple ID. Then verify storage and system settings under Apple ID, right arrow iCloud to confirm the freed space. If you still see little change, use Manage Storage to remove old device backups or app data. Troubleshooting tip: if files reappear or sync stalls, restart Finder, then restart your Mac. That usually clears sync caches and resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.